Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Samsung Bespoke AI Washer and reconnect into Wi-Fi step by step.
Factory reset Samsung Bespoke AI Washer. Step 1. Turn off the washer using the power button. Step 2. Press and hold the temp. Spin power buttons together for 3-5 seconds. Some models may use power. Smart control. Start pause. Check your panel. Step 3. The display will show reset or blink, indicating the factory reset is in progress. Step 4. Release the buttons and let the washer restart automatically. Reconnect Wi-Fi via SmartThings. Step 1. Open the SmartThings app on your phone. Step 2. Tap Add Device Washer. Step 3. Put the washer in Wi-Fi setup mode. Press Wi-Fi power buttons together until the Wi-Fi icon flashes. Step 4. Follow the app instructions to connect the washer to your home Wi-Fi.